So this hair has been trending for a while now, and I'm so excited I got to install it on my hair. If you'd like to see how I did it, please keep watching. Do remember to subscribe, like and share this video, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. This is the hair that I used, and this is called Nubian twist. I'm not sure the difference between Nubian twist and spring twist because the braiding method is very similar. It's like the exact braiding method. But yeah, this is how the hair comes looking like. It's very soft and springy, and I saw somewhere that the idea of this hair is to mimic natural hair shrinkage and elasticity. So as you can see, it springs up and down. I actually love this about this hair, you guys. So I'm going to be showing you how I install this. I decided to do the crochet method because I was not very confident about my skills to do individuals. So yeah, and this is the hair after I have twisted it. I'm going to show you now how I did this so that you guys can learn something from me. Now the first step is to separate the synthetic hair, as you can see me do here. Now this will help the hair get some volume, and it also helps with the grip because this hair is very soft. Now separating this makes the hair a bit rough so that you can be able to grip while you're braiding it. Now let's go to the fun part where I now show you how to braid this hair into a spring twist. So I'm taking 2 of these strands because I wanted a more thick and fuller look. So then I'm attaching that hair on the string that I've suspended, and then I'm measuring to make sure that the 2 hairs level up or they're the same length. Now next step is grab the hair at the center, as you can see me do here, like grab it and make sure that it's firm, and then let's get on to the braiding pattern. So then grab the 2 sections of hair with the 2 hands as shown here, and then this is where now the trick is. You're going to twist the hair like you are opening a key, like you're twisting a key to open a lock, and then take the hair to the left. So twist and then take the hair to the left, and then it's going to be held by the left hand. Then it's like you're interchanging the hair. Then take the other hair, twist like you're opening a lock, then take it back like that, and then you repeat the process. And this is actually so easy. I've tried so many methods, but they're not working for me, and this works for me perfectly, and it's so easy to learn. So yeah, so definitely take some practice before you get used to braiding it fast. But as they say, practice makes perfect. The test here is to pull it and see if it actually springs. That's how you know if you did it right. Let's do this one more time. Take the 2 strands of hair and hold it with the right and left hand. Then twist it like you're opening a lock or clockwise. Then take it to the left hand. And then take the other strand, twist it, take it back to the left hand, and then repeat the process over and over again. Make sure that you're gripping the hair firmly so that it doesn't unravel or it doesn't become too loose. And that is actually it. Finally, it's time for installation. Now this is the cornrows that I have. Are they even called cornrows? I'm not even sure, because these are braids that have been joined to make lines. I actually did this myself. I'm so proud. I know they're not like the same level, but yeah. Now on the crocheting, I actually just take the crochet needle, put it through the hair or the cornrow, and then open the latch, attach the Nubian twist, pull it through, open up the loop at the end of the Nubian twist, put the rest of the hair through it, and then pull to secure. And this process took me around 4 hours, because I had to stretch my hair, I had to braid the cornrows, and then I had to attach or to install the Nubian twist. For the Nubian twist, I retwisted them way early. I was actually doing it slowly by slowly throughout the week, and that's how I got to finish, because doing it in one sitting is a lot of work, you guys. So I am almost done. I'm so happy with how this came out, you guys. I'm so impressed with my spring twist skills. Wow. Why? Because I remember there's a time a friend of mine, shout out to you, Rita, who told me like to install this on her when Michelle Anyango had done them. And I was like, yes, I can do it. I went to help her braid it. It was an epic, epic fail. Just couldn't spring twist. I just couldn't do it. So that is the final look, you guys. I know like it doesn't seem like full on my head, but I ran out of hair and I just had to make what I have work. So now the back part is not as covered, but when I'm styling it, I'll just like hold it like this, use the braids to cover the parts that are blank. I'm going to leave the details of the hair in the description box, and also I'll attach it here so that you guys can check the hair out and also buy for yourself. Oh, I even added some accessories. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for this hair and more fun content, and I will see you on the next one. Until next time, choose kindness and remember to be safe. Bye guys.